lawmakers in the Commonwealth speaking out after President Trump froze spending on federal grants. Good evening, I'm Aaron Leedy.
And I'm Ann Laree. Our Jake Sarwar has that story, including new developments from this afternoon.
The Office of Management and Budget requested agencies temporarily pause grant, loan, or federal assistance programs implicated by President Trump's executive orders.
Social Security, Medicare, Medicaid, which I'd like to be clear on that today, welfare benefits, individual assistance, food stamps, etc. will not be impacted.
However, the Monday evening memo sent a sense of uncertainty across the nation, including here in the Commonwealth. Governor Josh Shapiro says government systems for programs that require federal funding were down throughout Tuesday.
They also stopped the systems or froze the computer systems that we rely on in the state to operate initiatives for Pennsylvanians that rely on federal funding.
Although the systems are restored, the governor doesn't buy that it was just a computer glitch.
This was chaotic, it was reckless, and it wreaked havoc on communities.
Lackawanna County Commissioners Bill Gaughan and Matt McGloin weighed in on Wednesday, stating the impact the pause would have on the county. Commissioner McGloin describes the action as utterly irresponsible and states the county's Office of Youth and Family Services could be affected. These grants aren't just numbers on a balance sheet. They're lifelines for the elderly, for children in dangerous circumstances, and public safety. Both commissioners called on Senator Dave McCormick and Congressman Rob Bresnahan to speak out and oppose the guidance. Congressman Bresnahan's office has fielded calls throughout Wednesday, with many constituents still unsure of what was happening. In a statement, the congressman says, "This decision was made to allow for the review of government policies that hurt, not help, American citizens." Bresnahan says his number one priority is to protect the constituents of the 8th District, writing in part, "Our office will continue to monitor for any new information about this freeze and provide updates to the people of northeastern Pennsylvania." Later Wednesday, the OMB rescinded its memo to alleviate confusion. However, the White House says the president's order remains in full force and will be implemented. In Wilkes-Barre, I'm Jake Sarwar, Fox 56 News, 1st at 10.
And White House Press Secretary Karoline Leavitt reiterating that on X today, saying, quote, "This is not a rescission of the federal funding freeze. It is simply a rescission of the Office of Management and Budget memo."